Hello. Check our HPEDM EDM flat vise for fixed on wire EDM machine. Yeah, check it. Device compatible erowa wire EDM system. Set erowa flat vise ER-05574. The length 250 mm. The workpiece here up to 170 mm. How to use it? You just use the 6-hex wrench to lose it. To lose it. Here to lose it. And put here to hold. Still use the screw to fix in it. And put here. This is move draw to clip in different size workpiece, and use here to clip in it. Like this. The accuracy was high, up to 2 micro. Here was fixing on erowa pendulum holder ER-06038. Accuracy was high. Warranty is 1 year. We can give you a good price. Welcome to inquire. www.cncedmw.com. Thank you.